In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two columns in Google Sheets and display matches. This is a simple and reliable way to check whether two entries on the same row are the same, which is great for validating imports, spotting typos, or confirming that two lists line up. Let's walk through it together so you can get clear, readable results in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can see the two columns you want to compare. It helps to make sure each column has a header, like List A and List B, and that your data starts on the next row. Now, click into the cell where you want to display the comparison result. Most people choose an empty column next to their data, so the results sit right beside the values being compared. Anywhere works, as long as it's easy for you to review. In that selected cell, type the formula that performs the comparison. A1, B1. This tells Google Sheets to check whether the value in A1 is equal to the value in B1 on the same row. You can adjust the column letters and row numbers to match where your data actually lives. When you're ready, press Enter. You'll immediately see a result. True if the two cells match, or false if they don't. That's it. The comparison is done. If you'd prefer something more readable than true or false, you can customize the output with a simple IF statement. In the same kind of result cell, type IF A1, B1, match, no match. Press Enter, and now you'll see match when the entries are the same and no match when they're different. You can even replace those words with your own labels if that's more helpful for your workflow. Just keep the quotation marks. Once you have the result working for one row, apply it to the rest of your data. Click the cell with your formula, then drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, the fill handle, down through the rows you want to check. As you drag, the formula automatically adjusts for each row, comparing A2 to B2, A3 to B3, and so on. This makes it fast to review an entire list. And that's all you need. Open your sheet, pick a result cell, enter equal A1 B1 for a quick true or false, or use EEIF A1 B1 match, no match for clearer labels, then drag the fill handle to cover your whole column. With these steps, you'll be able to compare two columns cleanly and confidently.